I'm Richa and that's Jatin behind the camera. And welcome to our channel Married Friends. So recently we moved to this place Munich in Germany from India, and although we still need to find a home for us here, but for the time being we are staying in this beautiful apartment hotel in Muzak area. This hotel's name is Harry's Home, and the highlight of this hotel is the area where it's located. I mean all the shops and cafes, supermarkets, mall, bus station, train station, and the list goes on. Everything is at a walkable distance. But that I'm going to show you later. In this video, I just wanted to share how a typical apartment hotel looks like in Germany. It's quite beautiful, it's quite interesting also. So let's get inside and see our hotel room. And I think that this video is also going to help those who are maybe planning to travel to Munich and for a longer time they want to stay in a hotel. So they may also consider this place. So let's get it. It's a pretty big lift और इस होटल में there are just 5 floors और हमारा टॉप फ्लोर में घर है and we get a very beautiful view for our long huge window that I'm going to show you now. I'm just so excited to share it. But हाँ कोरोना की वजह से वैसे तो ये काफ़ी बड़ी लिफ्ट है. कोरोना की वजह से just 2 people can enter at a time. So now we are on the 5th floor जहाँ पे हमारा रूम है and it's a long aisle to walk towards our room. तो तब तक मैं आपका थोड़ा सा entertainment करती हूँ. Let me share some things about this hotel. काफ़ी शांति रहती है यहाँ पे और जतिन ने मुझे बताया था that Germans they are very specific about the noise level. तो मैं ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ है जो मुझे काफ़ी फैसिनेटिंग लगती है विच आई फाउंड इन व्हेन वी वेंट टू फ्रांस फॉर अ ट्रिप. तो वहाँ पे भी सेम चीज़ थी कि वहाँ पे जब भी आप आइल में या कहीं भी आप एंटर करते हो ना लाइट्स ऑफ रहती हैं एंड ऑटोमेटिकली वो ऑन होती है एज यू वॉक इन. सो इसका क्या फ़ायदा होता है कि यू सेव अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. मीन अननेसेसरी कहीं पे लाइट ऑन नहीं रहती है. सो दिस इज़ आवर रूम इन दिस होटल. So let's enter inside. But यार अंदर जाने से पहले have you noticed the color of this door? It's so fresh, it's so young. और इसी तरह का अंदर का रूम भी है. So let's get in. So as soon as I enter, I plugged in my hotel card and if you can see, we have two doors here. One on my right and one on my left. This is I got confused. One on my right and one on my left. So left hand side is our washroom and on the right there is, wait for it, a walk-in wardrobe which I always wanted to have in my home. So now I have it. So let's start with the wardrobe first because I just don't want to start this video with the washroom. So Kulja, Sim. So this is a pretty spacious wardrobe. इसमें इतना space है that even I and Jatin can stand here and take out our clothes, and if you can see it's a pretty big, like a lot of shelves are there. यहाँ पे we have kept all our clothes and if you can see we still have some shelves left. And what I like most about this wardrobe is that the size is absolutely perfect. I mean it doesn't have those a huge height and width. जिसमें a lot of space gets wasted on top of your clothes and at the back side. So it's of perfect size. This is what I feel. Then I really like this hanging arrangement. यहाँ पे we have hanged all our jackets, which is very essential here. There is a jharu also, which is provided by the hotel. Although हमने इसको use नहीं करा except for cleaning my hair, जो comb करते वक्त floor पे गिर जाते हैं. And यहाँ पर भी काफ़ी space है, like you can easily fit I think 2 suitcases here. मैंने अभी तक यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमने एक ही suitcase रखा है. And this is our laundry bag, which reminds me कि हमें अपने कपड़े वॉश करना है. By the way, there's a laundry room also downstairs where you just need to pay I think 3 euros for your washing and 3 euros for your 3 euros, right? 3 euros for your dryer and you can wash your clothes. Yeah, ironing is free by the way. Okay, one thing which I miss here here in this wardrobe is a vertical mirror, because washroom में है mirror, but काफी बारी होता है ना, when you dress up and you go out, you want to see yourself, which is not here. I mean, that mirror is not here. So this is our wardrobe, which is pretty spacious for both of us. So now let's move on to our washroom. So this is our washroom. It's pretty basic, but it's quite spacious. And what I like a lot about this washroom is that it's completely white and it's clean. And the color combination of green and grey is बहुत अच्छा, like it gives a very good vibe to this entire washroom. Like it's chic, plus it's modern, it's casual, so you get that kind of feel in this washroom. Plus it has a pretty big, I mean it has a huge storage space. Like this entire shelf is काफी बड़ी shelf है. We have kept our brushes and my cosmetics are here, and I can also sit on it while Jatin is brushing. काफी सारा storage space है. Like we have this cupboard here where I kept my basic things like detergent and hair straightener and stuff. यहाँ पे भी काफी सारा space है. So बहुत minimalistic है, but still it has everything that you need in a good washroom. We have a tub here, and this is a glass door which looks very stylish. So आप इसको यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो. It blocks the water when you are showering. दोनों टैप्स में कोल्ड एंड हॉट वाटर आता है. शैम्पू, हैंड वॉश प्रोवाइडेड है होटल रूम में. What I like here is that काफी सारे hotels में होता है ना, that they give small plastic bottles of shampoo and conditioner, all those things. उससे काफी plastic waste होता है. So यहाँ पे they have attached, you can just use it as much as you want. अब जो भी बचता है, you cannot take it out. And the next guest who comes over can use it. So this is what I like about it. This is again pretty spacious. I mean, दो लोग आराम से नहा सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Bathtub मैंने कभी यूज नहीं करा, but obviously water conserve करना है तो bathtub is not a good option. But what I'm thinking कि यहाँ से जाने से पहले ना एक बार ही bathtub तो यूज करके देखना ही है. Although I'm not a bath person just like Chandler. बाकी सारी चीजें तो basic है यहाँ पे. Okay, one thing I want to point out here is this quote which is written here. It says that sing loud and proud, our rooms are optimally insulated. Like if you're a bathroom singer, तो आप जितनी तेज चाहो उतना गा सकते हो. Okay, one thing which I miss in this washroom is a jet spray, and I hope you know why, and I hope you also relate to it. So this is a washroom. Bedroom की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, but give me 1 minute because I need to use the washroom. Now moving on to the next part of this room, and that is this bedroom which has a double bed, quite comfortable. And यार समझ में नहीं आता है कि hotels के जो pillows हैं वो कहाँ से खरीदते हैं, because they are soft, extremely soft and still very comfortable. तो यार अगर आपको पता हो कि कहाँ पे ऐसे pillows मिलते हैं तो हमें भी बता देना comment section में. And look at the color combination of this room यार. I mean it has grey, it has some off-white, it has white color, it has black colored curtains, and the entire room it has green colored furniture and curtains, plus this wall. I mean it has green, it has white, and this golden texture. It has golden, but still it looks quite classy and clean. मतलब golden ऐसे सुन के लगता है कि it will look gaudy, but it's quite pleasing to the eyes. And who would have thought कि with the entire color combination, these orange shade lamps would look good on the side tables. काफी refreshing, काफी cozy vibe है इस bedroom की. Also, we have side tables on both the sides of the bed, which always help because you can keep your diary, you can keep your books which you're currently reading, and also a glass of water. Now moving on to my favorite part of this room, which is this huge window. यार मुझे इतनी पसंद है because it's huge, और सुबह उठ के यहीं से sunrise होता है. I can just सुबह उठते ही I stand here, I can see the sunrise. Let me show you something very interesting. You can open the window like this and you can see the world outside and get some fresh air also. मैं जब भी यहाँ पे खड़ी होती हूँ ना, मैं बाहर देखती हूँ, I always feel like going out for a walk every single time. And Now comes the interesting part. You can also open the window like this. It just feels like it will fall when it does it. इसका purpose क्या होता है? Like when you don't want cold winds to come in, but you want some fresh air in the room, you can open it like this. So this is how you can do. It was quite scary in the beginning, but it doesn't fall. So don't worry. Yeah, this is. Then on this side we have a table. We have a study table here, which we didn't use because we both sit on the dining table to work on, which is on the next room. So let's move there. So this is our living room plus dining plus kitchen area. I mean, everything is here and still it's quite spacious and we spend our entire day in this room. So let's start from my left hand side, which has a TV shelf. It has a TV, and if you have noticed, the other room also has a huge TV and we don't use any of these. Both the TVs have just German channels and just one English news channel, that's it. But yeah, if you have this cable connection, you can connect your laptop and watch Netflix or Amazon Prime or anything on it. Okay, then again, not to miss this huge window. Oh, this huge window, again, plenty of sunlight comes from this room in the morning, which is my favorite part because on this sofa, सुबह सुबह इस सोफे में इतनी amazing sunlight आती है that you can just take your coffee or your tea and your book and just sip it and enjoy your reading time. So this is my favorite corner in this room. Okay, now this is a sofa cum bed, which is perfect like if you have a family of 3 or 4 and if you have kids in your family. So this entire hotel room is perfect for you. Now this is our work area. This is the place where we both work. This is our dining table plus our work table. And by the look of it, can you guess कि किसका table कौन सा है? It has this lamp also. Now moving on to the favorite part of this room, and that is, look at such chic and such stylish kitchen slab यार. इसमें सबसे अच्छी चीज़ पता है मुझे क्या लगती है? This grey colored slab. इसमें like I am very active on Instagram. I post my food photos in my stories. वो सारी food photos मैं यहाँ पे click करती हूँ. Okay, now this kitchen, it has open shelves. ओपन शेल्फ्स काफ़ी सुंदर लगता है, बट हाँ आई डोंट नो, इंडिया में ऐसा लगता था कि यार अगर ओपन शेल्फ्स हो ना तो डस्ट इतनी आती है कि इट विल बिकम, मतलब हर दिन आप क्लीनिंग ही करते रह जाओगे, बट यहाँ पे डस्ट उतनी आती नहीं है. सो या ओपन शेल्फ्स दे आर अ गुड ऑप्शन हियर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्पेस. देखने में ऐसा लगता है, लाइक मुझे तो शुरू में ऐसे ही लगा था, दैट इज जस्ट वन स्लैब, बट काफ़ी सारा स्टोरेज स्पेस है. ऊपर तो है ही, प्लस देयर आर सो मेनी storage drawers here, plus there are cupboards where you can store your bartan or your groceries also. Plus hotel वालों ने काफ़ी सारे cutleries, काफ़ी सारे बर्तन provide करे थे. यहाँ पे glasses and jugs, cooking utensils, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. Plus it has a I don't know what it's called, 2-stove induction. Yeah, it has 2 induction stoves. And the best thing, यहाँ पे जो चिमनी है, it doesn't make any sound यार. See, हाँ, इसका फैन ऑन है और अभी तो फिर भी थोड़ी बहुत आवाज आ रही है इसमें. थोड़ी देर के बाद फील ही नहीं होता कि यार चिमनी भी ऑन है. सो पता नहीं कैसे ही बनाते हैं यहाँ पे. Then we have a small fridge. It's small but it has everything. Like हमारा जो weekly सामान यूज होता है, we have kept it here. I don't want to show it fully because it's not very organized. Then this is the dustbin area. So इसमें dry and wet दोनों garbage के लिए space है. Plus you can, enough space है, like you can keep your dishwashing liquid और जो भी आपको बर्तन धोने के लिए यूज होता है, you can keep everything there. Plus it has a sink. It has a provision of hot and cold water both. The water that comes from all the taps, it's drinkable. एक चीज है which is here in this sink and the bathroom tap also, कि आप सिंक जो है ना, आप उसका वाटर रोक करके you can fill it. तो लाइक जो भी आपको जैसे किचन के कपड़े होते हैं या फिर बाथरूम में आपके कुछ डेलिकेट्स हैं जो आपको डेली वॉश करने हैं, तो यहाँ पे बकेट्स और मग्स का प्रोविजन तो होता नहीं है, बट बेसिन में या फिर सिंक में यू कैन जस्ट फिल इट विद सम डिटर्जेंट एंड यू कैन सोक योर डेली क्लोथ्स इन इट। तो हाँ, ये चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगती है। आई जस्ट विश कि यार ये चीज़ें ना इंडिया में भी हो, because it's quite convenient to use on a daily basis. Plus this hotel room also provides this microwave oven, तो इसमें हीटिंग बहुत इजीली हो जाती है। एंड आई थिंक कल हमने इसमें पोटैटोज भी ग्रिल किए थे फॉर आवर रैप्स। एक चीज़ है कि यहाँ पे जो क्लीनिंग होती है ना वो वीकली होती है, वीक में सिर्फ एक बार होती है। सो यू नीड टू कीप इट क्लीन योर सेल्फ सो दैट आपको यहाँ पे रहने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो। बट दैट्स नॉट एन इशू हियर बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा होता नहीं है। I mean, हम तो नहीं करते हैं गंदा। वैसे तो दिस होटल हैज़ अ किचन विच सर्व्स जस्ट द ब्रेकफास्ट, नो लंच और डिनर, and it remains open only for 2 hours between 7 to 9. We didn't have our breakfast in this hotel kitchen till now because नीचे जाके like outside this hotel there are plenty of options. There are many cafes and restaurants where you can get amazing fresh sandwiches and coffee and many more things. So you can either cook or you can go outside. Outside is very good option. जैसे कि यहाँ पर काफ़ी ठंड होती है बाहर, बट रूम के अंदर यू डोंट फील दैट बिकॉज insulated windows हैं, so you can just roam around in your t-shirt, in your pajama, in your room. प्लस हीटर का प्रोविजन भी है, बट अभी तक हमें उसको यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है। So that's it. That's all about this beautiful home. We are here for 2 months and I'm literally enjoying my stay here. I wish यार मुझे यूरोप में ऐसा ही घर मिल जाए। So that's all for today's video. If you liked it, if you find it helpful, please like this video. And अगर आपको पसंद आया है और अगर आप इस चैनल में और भी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो, then please don't forget to